Hello, today I'll talk about 3 great AI language apps that can help you learn or practice Spanish. Now, each of these apps has a different focus and will help you in different ways depending what you need. There are links in the description for all the apps that I talk about in this video. Now, I've been learning Spanish for 20 years. I'm a qualified language teacher and I've been working in language learning technology for more than 15 years. So I feel I have a clear idea for what to look out for in a good app. Also, I am a real human. This video was not AI generated. And to prove that, here's me selecting all the crosswalks in one of those annoying "Are you human?" tests. All right, the first app I'm going to talk about is Spoken. This app is specifically designed around Spanish. There are lots of apps that use a general one-size-fits-all format that they apply to a lot of languages. But Spoken is only for Spanish and the content is created with that in mind. This one is aimed at lower intermediate level and above. I'll tell you a beginner suggestion in a second. Spoken has a big focus on speaking practice, as well as listening to real human native speakers. It's not only AI in the app, it just uses AI for the things where AI is genuinely helpful. And this app has a focus on practice rather than learning. The next one is Speak, and this is appropriate for beginners. Like the other one, it has content specifically designed around Spanish by humans, alongside some conversational AI features as well. But it has grammar lessons, not just speaking and listening practice. And the last one is Langua. This is more general. It's designed to fit any language. And it's all designed around a chatbot interface. So it's specifically about conversation practice. It's not for complete beginners, but it can handle quite basic conversations, although I think it's ideal for lower intermediate and above. Like Spoken, Langua has a focus on practice rather than learning. Now, there are a lot of language practice chatbots, and I've tried many of them, and Langua is my favourite of all the ones I've tried, partly because I found the voices are really realistic. And 2 more useful pieces of info before we finish. 1, the cheapest of all these 3 apps is Spoken. And 2, if you're a beginner, I actually believe the most effective way of learning a language is not a conversational AI app. More structured traditional courses are better for beginner level. I have another video where I explain exactly why. But my suggestions for good beginner Spanish courses are Pimsleur, Language Transfer, Michel Thomas, Busuu. Now, I have a lot of other videos with tips for language learning and about using AI for language learning, so check out those too. But that's it for today.